Hello, good morning, student. Today, once again, we are face to face to discuss something which has become more important for both of us. And before that, let us think of our God who made us. My dear, in the days of schooling, every day in assembly, you utter the line, O God, make us truly wise, make us truly wise. But do you think over it whether you have been made so or not? We are advised to become desireless. We are instructed not to hope for the fruit of our work, but we must consider in what way God rewards. By means of Bhagavad Gita, I would like to quote the couplet. It is taken from chapter 4. It is text number 11. ये यथा माम प्रपदन्ते तास्थैव भयाम्यहम मम वर्तामनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. My dear, by means of this line, Lord Krishna says, I reward accordingly, although everyone follows my path in all respects, but I reward them in what way they do and recall me. So, for that, I suggest you to become much more curious to learn. For that, you must spare your time and invest in a study so that, as usually I say, to give a better shape to your career. You may ask, why do I repeat the view? My motto is to evoke, to inspire, to encourage you, and to take too much interest that will be really very beneficial to you all. Everyone, as a student, is in search of knowledge, but how will you obtain this knowledge? From where will you get this sense of understanding? And in what way you will come to the highest stage of perfection? It depends on the consciousness which is called Kripa of merciful God. And you have been made wise. No need to repeat the line, make us truly wise, make us truly wise. You have been made. You should have firm faith in it. God has made you human figure with mind and heart and soul. They are working properly, and so it is your prime duty to work in the same way. Today, my dear, we shall discuss the first lesson of prose section, the fun they had. This lesson is written by Isaac Asimov. He was an American writer. He was born on 2nd January 1920, and after playing his role of life, he died on 6th April 1992. As a writer in his personal life, He was a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. Let us discuss the main points of the lesson. It is a science fiction. The story based upon scientific terms and thoughts. This lesson compares the differences between the education system of the olden days and the virtual form of modern education. Today, you may feel it by the method of schooling of your teachers and the method in which you are going on. My dear, in our country, earlier, when Guru Sishya Padhati, the system was going on, after that, the system got reformed, and today, what we have is known to all. We are in a particular way modified. The writer Amy Asimov expresses the vision of the future of technology. Simply, what would be the future of technology in coming future, and what was the position of the world without it? The writer has emphasized about the deterioration of human relationship. Nowadays, I would like to draw your attention as with the use of mobile phone, we are quite away, far away from our relatives. We have a little talk with them and we do not like to visit their houses, and vice versa, they also do not come to us. What happened to our relations? Now it has become meaningless. It is the result of modern technology. My dear, in real sense, the writer has tried his best to tell classroom and schools of future. How were the schools and classrooms of the past is known to all, and how it would be in coming future. These are the points to discuss, and let us discuss about the characters through which the writer has expanded his imagination and the classification of the past along with the future. There are four main characters. The first character is named as Margi. She was a girl of 11 years old. She wished to be a part of schools of the past. The other counter character, there was a 13 years old boy named Tommy who was very close to Margie. And now we have two supporting characters. The first one is Margie's mother. She was a very disciplined lady and was very careful about her daughter's study and the way she lived. Other and the last character is of a country inspector. He was a little man with a red face. His appearance in the story makes the illusion very clear because the mother was fully dependent on his report. They had a confusion which was made clear by the country inspectors. In this way, the story comes before us and brings so many ideas what we get in this story. My dear students, the story, the fun they had is about the science, is its features, the use of technology, and in a very nutshell, we can say that it is the fantasy of science fiction. It is published in the days of future, what we shall discuss in another video. I come to the conclusion with the hope of your devotion, with assurance what you are doing every day with a very good cooperation and cares for the teachers they are providing every day. Now I conclude and hope we shall get together with our next video lecture. Thank you.